Good nutrition is essential to healthy, sustainable cellular interaction, which is the linchpin to vitality, longevity, and a healthy, fit body forever. Food is essentially broken down into smaller compounds. For example, protein is broken down into the individual amino acids so that they can then be pulled apart by the bodies, shuttled to the cells in order for those individual amino acids to carry out all of their individual jobs. And that happens with vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, all of the B complex vitamins, all of the fatty acids, the phytochemicals, and all of the minerals. They all essentially have their part to play in the health of the human body. After food is chewed and digested, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine does its thing. Those compounds are transported through our blood flow, and then our cells are able to use those nutrients for the functioning of our bodily systems. And then that's when we can be fit, that's when we can burn body fat and build muscle, and achieve the health and fitness results that we desire. The quality of what we eat is the quality of all of these things here. It's the quality of how we process nutrients. It's the quality of our energy. It's the quality of how well we can slow the aging process. It's the quality of our cardiovascular health, our bone health, our cognitive health, the health of our skin, our hair, our ability to burn body fat, our ability to build muscle. There's so much that comes from what we eat and how it impacts our body. And that stuff there that's in front of you on the screen, is literally the tip of the iceberg. Because of the immense diversity and the different roles that nutrients have within our bodies, the foods we eat can fundamentally change how it works, which is literally on a micro level. And that is the foundation for body transformation. There's a reason that there isn't a one diet that best suits all, and it's all down to nutrition individuality. Just because my dietary choices work fantastic for me, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be the same for you, and vice versa. Just because your dietary choices are going to be really good for you doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be for me. It's all about a matter of principle, because individuals will respond differently to the digestion and absorption of different foods, even though they are whole and natural. Research shows that although the basic workings of the human body are the same, there are small digestive indifferences due to slightly unique genetic makeups, and this is simply down to the DNA, which is the genetic code within our cells. These codes create cellular instructions to make proteins for our vital functioning and structure. As we all have small genetic indifferences, the proteins we make will vary. These very responses are responsible as to how we react to the food that we eat. This is why people respond differently to different types of food. This further reinforces the important part of us understanding what works for us and what doesn't when it comes to the food choices that we make, as well as still serving the body's essential requirements.